Welcome to lecture number 3, creating irresistible lead magnets. In the previous lectures, we have discussed how to create a good lead magnets, about what are the good lead magnet options, what is lead magnets, why to create lead magnets, how to know which lead magnets works best for you. And in this video, we are going to see how to make an irresistible lead magnet. If you do not know, this is the lecture 3 of our course Lead Generation on a Budget, Get New Customers Without Big Ad Spend. This course is for free on YouTube, and if you want to watch it ad-free, then you can join my community on NASA and watch the course for free without any ads. Let's start lecture number 3. Choosing the right format for your lead magnet is crucial. It should align with your audience need and preferences, making it easy and appealing for them to engage with. eBooks, checklists, and webinars. There are all sorts of different formats, and we have discussed that each of them are quite good, and now we know which one suits best for our audience. Ebooks are best for audience that value in-depth detailed information. Checklist or templates are for those who are time-strapped professionals who want quick actionable resources. Video tutorials or webinars are for those who are visual learners or audiences who needs demonstrations. What would help my audience the most? Ask this question to yourself. What would help my audience the most? A guide, a video, or maybe a template they can start using right away. If you're targeting beginner entrepreneurs, a checklist on 10 must-do steps to launching your business might resonate well, as it's quick and actionable. How to craft an irresistible title. Your title is the first thing your audience sees, so make it count. A compelling title can make the difference between someone downloading your lead magnet or scrolling past it. So, you need to be clear and specific and result oriented. It should give your audience an immediate sense of what they will gain. So, be specific. Instead of marketing tips, use 10 proven marketing tips to double your sales in 30 days. Focus on benefits. What's the tangible benefit? Use phrases like how to, ultimate guide, or step by step. Use power words like free, ultimate, exclusive, or secrets to make your title more appealing, but keep it in mind that a lot of people do this. So you may be into the crowd if you use such words. So it's very important. If your title is looking very short, you can use these words. But if your title is already quite big, like mine, Lead Generation on a Budget, Get New Customers Without Big Ad Spend, then you may not need to use these. Although it may look the ultimate course on lead generation, and you can do this, but it will be too big if you do this. So keep that in mind. If your title is very short right now, you can use these words and make your title look more appealing. If your lead magnet is about social media strategies, write 10 social media hacks to get more followers in less time. This is a good title. Use such things and create good title for your lead magnet. Now that you have an engaging title, let's talk about the structure. A well-organized lead magnet ensures your audience finds it valuable and does not get overwhelmed. Your lead magnet should flow naturally from introduction to conclusion with clear sections. You can break your content into sections for easy scanning, like headings, subheadings, paragraphs, and helps for quick reading. You can add visual elements like graphics, infographics, images, and so that it makes it more eye appealing. Or use bullet points, numbered lists, short paragraphs for an ebook on productivity. Start with a short intro, followed by sections like time management, energy management, and focus tips. Do not use not more than 3 main points per section to keep things focused. It's a good tip. If you have a section, and do not share more than 3 main points, so that the section remains focused and not too much information in just a single section. Adding a real value. Your lead magnet should genuinely help your audience. Adding value means giving away actionable, insightful information that makes a difference. What is a valuable lead magnet? A valuable lead magnet answers questions, solves a problem, or provides insights that your audience can't easily find elsewhere. That's what a valuable lead magnet is. So provide actionable tips, expert insights, or case studies which actually help your audience add the real value in your lead magnet. Here are some simple design tips. Use Canva templates, choose readable fonts, use high quality images, maintain brand colors. For example, all the PPTs of this course is in like pinkish purple theme with a soft white overall uh, background. Incorporate white space. See, you need to have a very clean and simple design. You do not need everything so congested, everything so condensed. You need to have a lot of space so it feels good to see. And keep your layout consistent. Do not changes. Have like on the first page you have heading 1 for your title, and on the second page you are having heading 3 for your title. Do not do this. Keep your layout consistent every single time. Some quick tips to making your lead magnet more actionable. Use clear action steps, provide specific, achievable tasks for readers, use worksheets, checklist, and resource link. I'm not going too deep because it's going to take too much time. So just be sure that, let me give an example to close this. In a budgeting guide, include a 5-minute budget setup. It will be a section that helps user kickstart the process immediately, like a worksheet you can say. Always close with a call to action, like a checklist, worksheet, or next steps to keep the momentum going. Do not end it randomly. Always close with a call to action. And I've discussed in one of the videos on my YouTube channel that you should have a call to action in starting and last. But in lead magnets, make sure you have the call to action in the last. If it's a small one, if it's a big one like ebook, then of course in as many call to action as you think is good there. Where to distribute your lead magnets for free? Once your lead magnet is ready, it's time to share it with your audience who is gonna see it. So, what are going to be the distribution channels? It could be your website. You can feature it on your homepage, blog, or as a pop-up to capture visitors. It could be on your social media. You can post a link to your lead magnets on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, where your audience is active. You are watching this on YouTube, or maybe just my community like NASA.io on NASA.io, and most probably you have found this on LinkedIn or YouTube or any other way, so that you came from there. So that way which you have came through is a distribution channel for this course, for this lead magnet. You need to create a similar one for yourself as well. Email signature. Include download link in all outgoing emails. If you're sending emails to your customers, put your lead magnet in there. Add a link to your lead magnet in your email signature for extra exposure. If your target, that's an example by the way, if your target audience is on LinkedIn, create a post introducing the lead magnet and pin it to your profile. You can consider using a landing page with an opt-in form to collect email addresses when users download your lead magnet. Or if you're creating a course like this, then you're of course getting the email addresses. And in most of the cases, you're already getting email addresses. But if you're giving a template or something and you are not getting email address directly, then you can create a landing page with the help of Framer or anything, any tool. There are a lot of tools which help you give away digital products of any kind, and in return get email address from the person who is getting the product. Lead nurturing strategies. Your lead magnet has captured new leads. Now what? The next step is to nurture these leads and build a relationship with them. Set up an automated email sequence that continues to provide value while introducing your brand and services. You can find out this video on my channel in which I have talked about email marketing automation, and you're gonna like it is either sales funnel automation or email marketing automation, and it's completely in depth about this, how to nurture leads, and that's what you need. In short, your first email could thank them for downloading the lead magnet, and your next email could offer additional resources on a related topic, and slowly you're gonna sell them awareness, interest, desire, and conversion. That's the whole process. So let's recap the key takeaways for creating a lead magnet your audience can't ignore. Choosing the right format, crafting a compelling title. You need to choose the right format which works for your business, let's say ebook, and create a compelling title which we have discussed, like 10 actionable steps for new entrepreneurs to grow their business with the help of Facebook. That's a good title. It's too much detailed, and it tells what the person is going to get. Then creating good content and structuring it for easy consumption, adding real value and actionable steps, and distributing on relevant channels, and nurturing those leads at last. Think about what you can create for your audience right now that would solve one of their key problems. And keep in mind, a well planned lead magnet does not have to be complex to be impactful. So, this was lecture 3, and the last and the not the least, of course, last and not the least, lecture 4 will be the next lecture of this course, and then this course will end. Make sure to check out other courses as well and YouTube channel for more guides for growing your business. Let's see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep thriving.